friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to on My friends, can you believe Thanksgiving is 4 days away? OMG, I can't believe it's finally here. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some Southern soul food green beans with potatoes and bacon. My mouth's watering. It's going to be so delicious. It's going to have lots of flavors. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. The perfect side dish for your holiday dinner or any night of the week. So grab your green beans and your potato sugar, because we're about to cook some green beans and potato magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large pot, I got the fire over medium-low heat. I melted 4 tablespoons of bacon grease. We're going to add 4 ounces of bacon. Yeah, hear that sizzle. I hear bacon. We're going to add in 3 potatoes that I washed and peeled and cut into cubes, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Going to give that a quick stir. And we're going to let this cook for about 15 minutes until the potatoes is nice and soft. Alright my friends, this is what the potatoes and bacon look like after 15 minutes. Potatoes nice and soft. And it smells so good. Ain't nothing like the smell of onion, garlic, and bacon. Amazing. Alright. Next we're going to add in 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and salt and pepper to taste. Going to stir that in. And for the last ingredients, we're going to add in 1.5 cups of water, 5 tablespoons of chicken broth. And now for the star of the show, the green beans. I'm using 6 cups of canned cut green beans. Gonna pour that in. And I drained the liquid from the green beans. Give that a stir. That looks so good. So now we're going to increase the heat to high. We're going to bring the green beans to a boil. Alright my friends, the green beans has come to a boil. So now we're going to cut the fire down to medium-low. And we're going to let that simmer for about 15 minutes. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright my friends, there you have it. Southern soul food green beans with potatoes and bacon. Doesn't that look good? And smells amazing. Look at the potatoes and the bacon. Looks mighty tasty. Alright, I'm about to give this a taste. Here we go. Give me some green beans and a little potato. Hey, look at that. Be careful not to burn my mouth. This is the bomb.com. The green beans and the potatoes nice and cooked. Ain't too sweet, ain't too spicy. Could taste that bacon. Y'all know anything with bacon tastes incredible. If y'all love green beans and potatoes, this is your recipe. Green bean-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and happy Thanksgiving.